Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. Firstly, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button next to the square one. Now tap on the icon of an app and select split screen. Then you need to click on the other app like Chrome, for example, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging one of your apps upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!